So this has those tipping points, and that's what I wanted. I am taking the soaps out of their molds. My eucalyptus cotton. Smells great. It's made with shea butter and avocado oil and many other moisturizing oils. And so it's going to be a really lovely soap bar. So I'm going to get it out of the soap mold and then do some cutting. That came out really, really nice. Okay, I have to fix it up just a little bit. Okay, so I would just want to show you a couple of the tools that I use to cut my soaps. This is a really nice soap cutter. It helps to put little grooves or whatever in the soap. So this is really nice. I got that from Amazon. And then this is a straight cutter, and it also has a like a little measuring here for 1 inch and 2 inches up to, let's see, it goes to 5 inches. So that's really nice if you want to mark your soaps. I have my trusty knife, and it's non-serrated, so it has no grooves in it at all, and that's really nice. And I have several of these. Okay. And then I have my, it's like a cheese slicer, but you can use it, I use it for my soaps to just put bevels on them, so that works out really nice. I have another one of these. And then this here is something that you use for like clay and things like that, and that has nice little scrapers that you can use just on the edges of the soaps. So these are my tools that I use. I always have gloves on, even though this is fine right now. I just don't want my hands to get all yucky. And then I have to wash them again. So that's it. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. And this is a soap cutter. So it already has the marks right here, so it's really nice. I just put my blade right in there, so I would use this one right here. And I have my paper towel. And I think, yeah, it's this one right here. So I just butt it up against it. And this is until I can get my own soap cutter. So see, it turned out really nice. A little bit of that there. And so So this has those tipping points, and that's what I wanted. So it has a lot of different color variations in it, which is really pretty. And then the top has the gold mica and pearly mica. So it's very subtle, but it has a great scent. It's a really nice moisturizing bar of soap. See how nicely it comes right out of the mold. So this has been in the mold for about 3 to 4 days. So I'm just cleaning the blade in between. And like I said, this is very low tech. I need to get a professional soap cutter, but for now this will have to work. And it does. It works really nice. And so those are the little points that I was trying to make. So it came out pretty nice. I think my soap was too thick. There's no thinking. My soap was too thick, and it should have been a little bit thinner to create a lot of those points. So when I poured this, I'm pretty sure, like, see, the top layer has more points whereas the bottom layer doesn't, and I needed to have a little bit more of a contrast, so this should have been like a darker excuse me, a darker green. But I was really trying to get those points, but I have plenty of soap to be making, so I will have plenty of practice. And so I'll have to touch that up right there. And so I have quite a few bars. I have probably maybe 32, maybe 40 bars of this, so that came out really nice. So what I'm going to do is just bevel the edges like this. I have to wait until it's a little bit drier and then I'll come back and bevel it, because it shouldn't be that hard to, when I've seen them do it on the videos, it's not that hard, so I think I just need to wait. Because the reason is, I just barely cut it, and this is still really soft, and it should just be peeling right off. So I will wait a little bit, because it's getting my device, my cheese slicer, all gunky. So I'm going to wait another day, and then I will clean all these up and let them dry for 4 to 6 weeks, and then they'll be ready to sell. So thank you for joining me today. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And those that are subscribers, thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.